Welcome back to the Blockhouse. Well, today we're going to start the first of 4 videos of going through the find that we had at the flea market. We just talked about that in a previous video on a quick update. There was 2 of these bins. I think they're 16 quart, and they together weigh 20 pounds, just over 20 pounds, 22, about 22 pounds. And so this particular one right here by itself weighs 10 pounds and 5.5 ounces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour out about half of this onto this white board here, and then remeasure it and see if I get, down to 5 pounds, 5 pounds 2, and then we'll call that half, and we'll make the first video. So we have another container, same size, stuffed full of Legos and Lego, and we'll do that one on parts 3 and 4. So here we go. Alright, let's see what we have. First, there is a few larger items in here I'll just take out by themselves and see how we get to the weight. What I'll do is I will zero it out, and then as it goes down it'll be negative 5.2. So that's 1 pound 10 ounces right there. I've got this large wheel. This thing here, I think this was some kind of a, look at those just stuck in it. I think this is some kind of a carrying case. Some kind of a carrying case or something. I'm not sure. But it opens up into a road. Don't know about that. Alright, that takes us to 1 pound 15 ounces down. Let's just grab it and go. Look, was that from Ninjago? It's pretty nice. Alright, let's get a few more things out of here. Here's a Ninjago Battle Arena. Okay. How are we doing? That's Lego. Interesting. Take a handful. Alright. 2 pounds 12 ounces. 13. So much cool stuff. That is 3 pounds 6 ounces. 312. Some kind of weird Technic thing. That's an interesting piece. 4 pounds 8. Another big wheel. That I don't think is Lego. That's probably Mega Blocks. Alright, keep going. Wanted. Alright, that's 5 pounds left in there. Let's go another couple ounces. There we go. 5 pounds 2 ounces is what's left in there. So I've taken out 5 pounds 2 ounces approximately. Here's base plate. Who made that? I don't think that's Lego. Okay, so I'll get started on separating this. We'll kind of go through it a little bit and see what we have. Give me a second to move the scale and the remains of this box. Another 5 pounds. Some good stuff. Alright, let's go through it and see what we got. Like we said, this was probably not Lego. Doesn't say Lego anywhere. I'm going to say that is a non-Lego piece. That is a non-Lego piece. Mega Blocks. Something with stickers. Mega Blocks. So the first three pieces I grab are Mega Blocks. Score, Lego! Nope, I don't see any in there. Alright, we got this wheel. I looked this up because I saw this on the quick update. The inner wheel that comes off, that's about 33 cents, and this is about 28 cents. And these orange pieces are different. Alright, there's some smaller pieces. A lot of pins. A lot of Technic lift arms. More wheels. I got so many wheels in the drawer over there. I don't even know what I'm doing with them yet. So it's gonna be looks like there's gonna be a lot of wheels on this first go around here. That's interesting, but I don't think it's Lego. I'll put it to the side. We'll check that later. So this looks like a screen from Ninjago City or something like that. You know, instead of a door that opens, it's got those Chinese or Japanese rice paper screens. That's pretty cool. There's a nice Lego. Those are some printed pieces there. Printed's pretty nice there. Now, there's green pieces are Lego, but I don't know if this is Lego or not. I'll have to check that out. Doesn't. This part's Lego, but this, it's got the AM00. I think that's Mega Blocks. There's another frame, a door frame. So far, it looks like a lot of really good stuff. More wheels. There's a radar dish. Sold some of these on Bricklink already this month. Oh, there we go. That's a nice canopy. It's printed. Put that to the side. Keep it in good shape. If you recognize what any of these sets come from, leave me a comment so I can identify them easier. Here's that really nice sand green color. I really like that color. That's one of the fun things about doing the used Lego is you don't have the part out option, you know, with the set, and it knows exactly what color it is and what color you're putting it in. So you have certain colors that you have to learn. Like this color orange is pretty neat, but I have another color of orange. I don't see it right away, but it's called light bright orange, and that one had me thinking for quite a while, what color is that, until I identified the piece that was only in that color of orange, and then I was able to figure it out. This is a Mega Block. It's that trans neon green color. More Lego. This is another Mega Blocks piece. This is Mega Blocks. There's that, all that Technic mixed together. A lot of pins, a lot of lift arms. Dark red. I don't see any minifigures in this, which I wasn't expecting any, but a lot of really nice size wheels. That says Lego Group right on it, and it has the size of the wheel. 62.4 times 20.8. That's pretty interesting. I'd read in a Lego book that Lego is the #1 manufacturer of tires in the world. They sell more than Goodyear and Firestone and Uniroyal and all of them put together. There's a nice Technic lift arm. Move this box out of the way here. Oh no! You know what? If you don't drop any on the floor, you're not doing it right. There we go. That is, I have no idea what that is. Some clear, it's broken on this end anyway, so whatever it was. Alright, let's see. Finish this rapidly here, finish going through it. That's probably from Bionicle. Like I said, these Lego in here, they've been separated already and they look dirty. So maybe these were kept from the other, but they look older. Like here's an old space brick with a space logo on it. So they may be dirty because they're older, but they also could be dirty because they were sitting around and collecting dust. We'll get these washed and sanitized for sale on the Bricklink Store. Here's that piece here that they put the sticker on, and then they made like some kind of a honeycomb print on it themselves, and over here it says "To Mom." So I don't know what that was all about. That's Technic, but look, it's got a spinner and it's got a skull right there. It looks like Lego. Technic. Oh, those are some nice plates right there. Like solar panels. That's pretty nice. That is, doesn't say Lego, so it's probably not. Here's that battle arena. Alright, what is this big thing here? Well, that's the largest dish I've seen. That must be about an 8. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, that's a 10 stud wide dish. I've only seen an 8. Here's another one that's same size. But is that Lego? It's hard to tell. I'll have to look at that closer. Smaller dishes, more wheels. There's some blades from Ninjago dragons. And Lego. Alright, I think that's about it. This is 5 pounds, including this 1 pound bag of dirty Lego. What was that? Somebody was trying to make a person or something with those legs. But I don't know what that was. Interesting. I don't think this track is Lego. It's probably, we'll get a closer look at it. It might be. I think I see the Lego logo. There's a piece of light gray that is not, unless it's oh, that's because it's Mega Block. That's why the color's off. I was trying to compare that with this light bluish gray. Lego has that light gray older pieces. Okay, I'll get this all separated. We'll find the most common parts. Now what I've got to get out of each video is, it paid $50. That was for 20 pounds. So I'm dividing that up into 4 5-pound videos. And so 50 divided by 4 is $12.50. So it's $12.50 per video that I've got to make back from the pieces on here to be in profit. So we'll get started on that, and I'll clue you in just a few minutes for you, but probably an hour for me. All the pieces are separated now. mostly by color. Here is a dark bluish gray, light bluish gray, red, dark blue, blue, dark red, reddish brown. One lone dark brown piece right there. And put all the little pieces in this 10 by 10 dish. I think it's 10 by 10. There's some random pieces, all these wheels, and all this right here stacked on the scale is non-Lego, mostly Mega Block stuff. Some Technic I put into a pile. Now the question is, were we able to pull out $12.50 from the pieces here? And I've got them here in the sorting tray, and some highlights on this card here. But we did find some really interesting things. These stockade doors, and those were 32 cents a piece. These Chinese symbol window panes were 37 cents a piece, and that says Ninja according to the website. These trans pieces were in the 30s. These tracks are interesting. These tracks are 9 cents a piece. There's 10 of those. That's 90. This radar dish, $1.11. And some nice value on some of these dark tan pieces that are in here. So all in all, what we're looking at in this tray. Oh, I learned a new color also. This color is lighter than the light bluish gray. This is called bright light bluish gray. Or no, not bright. It's called very light bluish gray. So, and those had some good value too. So all in all, what's in the tray here turned out to be worth $13.20. This is an interesting piece here. This is a trans black canopy with the printed with the print on it. It's only like 40 cents. Just the trans gray canopy by itself was over $14. Too bad I didn't have that one. So that is what we've got so far, and everything else on the table then is profit. Good value here in these Technic pieces. I need to check out these wheels. I think this stack here of the 3 wheels, these are, I think as an assembly, 25 cents a piece. So I need to learn more about wheels, get these all sorted out. I've got 100 of them in a drawer. And that's about it for all the exciting pieces. There is some more value in here. I'm going to guess about it, since just what's in this tray here is about $13, and what I can see in Technic and in some modified tile pieces, I'm going to say there's another $20 on the table. So that's looking good. Get this stuff. Oh! I don't want to forget. I also have. This is minus this 1 pound of possibly vintage Lego that's in this bag. I didn't want to get this out and get it mixed up with the pieces that were clean. So once I get everything on the table sorted, I'll wrap up the video by dumping this one out on the table, and we'll see what we have in there, if there's anything that's particular interest or unusual. Oh, I did get this loader, this front end loader here. It's not particularly valuable, but I might build a front end loader, download the plans for that set. Alright, I'll be back in a little bit. I'll get these pieces put away, and then we'll empty out that bag. The bag of older Lego has now been split up, and over half of it was in really bad shape. And here is a, can you see that? Just chewed up, like an animal or something chewed it up. I see a yellow one, here's a white one. It's terrible. So I took out all of the ones that aren't sellable. That's just impossible to sell something like that. Here's a little 2x2 brick. So those will all go into the trash heap, and I say over half of them. But what I did find, some interesting stuff here. This is from set 924, and it says right here, LL924. And it was one of the early space models. These are all in good shape, fortunately. The ones that were, here's another. These gray, these are light gray wedges and plates. A couple of wing supports and that loudspeaker, all in light gray. Got some interesting wheels here. They have metal axles, pretty rusty metal axles in them. There's a plate with a metal axle. This has got some kind of, I don't know what's in there, why it has that kind of strange stuff inside. I haven't seen that before. It has a metal axle in the ends, and then these wheels, the metal axles. Then I found this pneumatic actuator, 48mm. Came in red and yellow. They're not too expensive. It's I think $2.50. Mine's got a few bumps on it here, so I just listed it for $2. And then I have some stuff from a castle set. I've got this knight here from a castle. I'm not sure which set that was from, but there. Oh, here's a couple more pieces that went with the set 924. These little control panels. But these walls came from Castle. That's light gray. A couple of those. And then this trans yellow 4x10. That's going for just over $3. So there's a lot of cool stuff in here. These pieces here are vintage, and these do sell on the on Bricklink, like a couple dollars, $1.50, a couple dollars. So some good stuff in there, even though all that's got to be thrown away. It's just pointless. So definitely well made back our $12.50 on this first haul. So stick around. I'm going to get most of this listed. Next day or two we will do the second part, the next 5 pounds. There may be some pieces. Well, I was going to think there might be some pieces from this in there, but these were bagged, so that's probably not going to be the case. Thanks for stopping into the Brick Blockhouse. Check out the store at Bricklink. It's the Brick Blockhouse, 3 words. And if you like the videos, leave me some feedback, comments. If you see something I wasn't sure what it was, or I said something that was wrong about what it was, leave a comment, subscribe, like, and we'll see you on the next video.